Hey, my friends, this is one video I am super excited about doing. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, thank you, thank you. You are very much appreciated. Who do you see in front of you? This is Mrs. Lana, Mrs. Coach Lana, and she is the shoulder bag, which is the biggest of the Lanas. I just recently purchased her. I've been in her for a couple of days now, and I am going because I need to switch out. I have a couple of errands to do, and I'm going to switch into a different bag.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
But I had to take you through how we decorated Miss Lana, how she got all dressed up and ready to go out for the day. So let's get started. I wanted to use kind of a animal print here. So I kind of used this, I used this zebra print. And this is a luggage tag. And in here, I just carry some of my business cards in here. Then I have this little kiwi pouch. Right now, I don't have anything in it. I don't think. Nope. Because I have stuff everywhere. So have a little kiwi pouch here. On the side, I have the chunky Coach chain along with the Coach case for my AirPods. My little fluffy thing on the side, I don't know, maybe it's a mental thing, but she feels so good. You know, like those little fidgets. So she came along, and this beautiful green apple cherry, I purchased this from Amazon, and I just love the way she looks. And she has this little heart on it, little green heart, and the way she looks on this olive bag is absolutely stunning. The opposite side of the bag, and I just draped this chain around here so I can add some charms to it, so all the charms are hanging off of the chain. On the opposite side, we have in the crease this is a Coach keychain, and then I have this little flower which I purchased from Amazon. These are hooked onto the zipper. Show you that in a minute. The zipper here. So when I'm going in and out of the middle part, I have these to use. So I love the way she got all dressed up and held her own. So let's see what I was able to carry with her. Now, when I carried her, I had lots to do, appointments. We had doctor's appointments. I had to also work. So I was going to doctor's appointments, sitting in the doctor's office, working on my laptop. So she had to be a little versatile. So this is my first time. I had purchased this Coach. What is this called? Is this the? I don't know if this is a swing bag. All I know is I love this print. I love this zebra print, and I've been waiting to use this little bag. I took the strap off, and I just used her as kind of a catch-all to some of my items in here. And those are kind of my hand sanitizer, lotion, tissue, and manicure set. And she worked really well in there. Then I had my Coach sunglass cases. Those worked really well. I had the Coach signature print pencil pouch, and in here I also had a set of sunglasses and a highlighter and ink pen in there. That up. I had my pill pouch in this bag as well, so I wouldn't forget since I was going to be out all day. I wanted to make sure I did not miss taking my daily doses of vitamins and all too. I have this little pouch. I purchased this. I mean, it was like close to nothing on a Poshmark. Again, I just wanted a zebra print. In this little corner zip is where I have my second set of headphones, my higher wired headphones in here. So that saved. And then that's the front pouch of the bag. Now I'm gonna go to the middle section is where I had everything zipped up and start emptying that out. Well, before I do that, let me do the back. And then in the back, I had my 13-inch laptop. I also had my Coach notebook. I had my mouse set. I love this little case. I got this from Amazon to carry my mouse and my external drive here. I love this. I don't know if you all, this is my first time getting it, but I'm going to definitely get more. These are Bluetooth enabled mouse. Do you say mice, mouse, whatever? But you don't need the little USB plug for these. They just automatically connect by Bluetooth. And I am loving this because sometimes I need all of the USB connections on my laptop for other things and don't want to waste it with the little tab for the mouse. Now I'm gonna go into the middle section of the bag, and this is where I had my long essential slim zip around wallet, Coach wallet. Then I had my key holder, Coach key holder. What else we got here? What is this? This is a receipt for something. Oh, listen. So we went to IHOP, my husband and we had this challenge where we were going to be able to go to two restaurants. And can we go to two restaurants and spend $40 for the day? And we did it. IHOP had a like a $7 special or something like that. And then in the morning, we did something like a Chick-fil-A. We sat down and ate in there. It was fun. So we did it. We did it. We did it. And actually, I think we came in under the $40. Then I have my card wallet. I love this lipstick wallet, card wallet here, card case. And let's see what else I have in here. The little Coach tag. I'll put that back in there. Don't want to lose that. And then I have my charger. So that is all that I had in this Lana. This is the first time I've carried her. I was very pleased with how she carried. She looks very well, and more so than looks, the carry. Oh my goodness. I carry a lot of heavy stuff in my bag, but this is probably the most comfortable bag that I have. And I can just, throw her on my shoulder. She wasn't falling off. And it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I was in awe. I was like, oh, this is great. I love this. I love this. So this is Lana. I'll be moving out of her. I'm not quite sure, but I will be moving into a small bag because I just need something really quick. Gonna run some quick errands, and then that'll be it. Thank you all. This is Mrs. DLC, and I'm signing off. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe.
subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget